Hey guys, Stan Dale, President of Florida Suncoast BMW. Hope you're doing well. Hey, tried to get in the one of the latter videos of this time change season before it got dark. Apologize last week for a little too dark on the video, so we'll try to do better as we go forward. Hey, we're just rookies. So some of you more astute viewers may notice a change in the background. There's not a red German car in the garage anymore. We've replaced that with a 2009 E93 hardtop convertible. So we'll see what happens there. We'll tell you all about the details at some point in time. Hey, we're going to change up a little bit. Instead of me reading all the events, I'm going to put you right in touch. I noticed that today Carol has made some changes in how we sort our events columns. We've crisscrossed some regional areas so that you can see what's happening north of you, south of you, east or west of you, depending on where you live, so that you can see events just in your area and just in the areas immediate to you. You can still look across the entire state and see everything we have going on, but this will make it a quick view for you in your particular region. So I hope that helps. Your feedback helps us continually modify, try to improve, and do those things, and our kudos out to Carol. Let me tell you two things we're working on right now. We're working on a static cling emblem. It's about should be about 2.5 by 3, 2 by 3, something like that, with Florida Suncoast new logo on it. And we should have those hot off the press here in just a couple of weeks. We'll have them in our inventory. At that point in time, we're going to tell you how you can get 2 of them for just a stamped self-addressed envelope. All you got to do is send it to our mailbox, and we'll stick 2 of those in and turn it right around to you and shoot it right back at you. So it should be really nice. We'll start to be able to identify other club members and those types of things. As you're driving up down the street, you run up on a BMW in your local region, you'll know whether they are, or you should know whether they are or not, a chapter member. It's just a little cool thing we're supplying to all of our members. Second thing we're working on, we talked about this in the fourth quarter, and here we are. We're now pushing it through. We've got approval, and we're going to prepare for it. We're going to open up a wearables portion on our website. So it's going to be, it'll have a women's wearables, men's wearables, shirts, jackets, hats, a mix of some other things, but with the new logo on there. So if you want to get them, they should be reasonably priced. But you now can be proud to wear the Florida Suncoast logo to your chapter events or out and about to the car wash or pharmacy, wherever you go, wherever you frequent, you'll be able to have a pride factor with our logo. So look for that coming. We'll roll that out in coming days, but we're excited about it. We think we finally made the connection. If everything goes right, we should have that out. We should have that out to you shortly. So we're working on those two pieces. I think are sort of exciting and allow us to have a little bit of bragging rights on our logo. As always, check your events down below. Ton of things going on. We're coming up on the big show this weekend, March 5th, and we'll have I think we got 20 plus BMWs in the show. I think we have the largest collection of cars in the German section of the British Italian German car show. And I know this weekend is also we're on concourse up at the show upstate. So that little car show is going on this weekend as well. So I know there's some folks up there enjoying that. Hope to get some pictures as well. So March the 11th is a Saturday. Florida Suncoast is hosting the South Atlantic region chapters. All the chapters in the South Atlantic group, from Washington, D.C., out to the Mississippi River and all south. Presidents, treasurers, and other members of their chapters are coming in for the second of 2 gatherings. So we'll be meeting in Tampa on Saturday, March the 11th, an all-day meeting for the CCA, but your chapter here, Florida Suncoast, is hosting that event. So we look forward to seeing all those folks from other chapters that watch us on this channel. We'll be glad to have you in Florida and host you there, and hope we have a great time. We'll do a lot of good CCA business, so glad to be able to host that and bring that around. So until then, as we say, get off the sofa, come on and play. We'd love to meet you, love to see you out at our events. A lot of things going on. I'm heading up this Saturday to the Cars and Coffee at BMW Sarasota, so getting to see those folks up there. And then this Sunday will be the big show over in Cape Coral. A lot of other things happening. Tonight as I'm making this video, I know they're doing dinner up in the Panhandle, and we have a couple of new things coming up. So look at the events down below as we build this puppy out. Until then, we'll see you then. Happy motoring, everybody. Bye now.